Hey guys, so we're gonna do mermaid on the mat. So same thing that you could do on the reformer, but now we're gonna do it on the mat. So you're gonna have one shin out to the side, other foot against the inner thigh, arms out to the side. Then we're gonna go over, stretch, breathing. Coming in, we're gonna do the counter stretch. Good. Let's do two more each way, stretching. Come in, go the other way. Good, one more each way. Stretch. Good, last one. Then we'll rotate into this knee, walk yourself out as much as you can, stretching, breathing. And then we'll walk ourselves up, and we could do a little rotate, looking behind the shoulder, breathing. Good, and then we're just gonna switch the legs and do the opposite side. So shin, foot against the inner thigh, arms out to the side, stretch over, breathe. Good, counter stretch, other way. Two more each way. Stretch over. Other side. One more each way, stretch. Last one. Good, and then we're gonna rotate, walk yourself out, stretch, breathe. Walking yourself up, and then we're just gonna do a rotate, look behind that shoulder, breathe. And that was the mermaid on the mat. Till next time.